How's it going, everybody? This is Craft96 Coding, and today I'm back in with another video for you guys. And for this video, it's another tutorial, but it's not a code tutorial on Java. Actually, it's more of a installing tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Android Studio to your computer so you can create Android software using Java. Okay, so first out, you need to open your browser. Okay, so once you're in your browser, you need to type Android Studio. Okay, and then you will get into, you need to go to this website, developer.android.com/studio. Okay, so you go into this website. Okay, so this website here is the official website for the Android Studio, and things you need to notice is it has a system requirements, which is for Windows is Microsoft Windows 7, 8, or 10, 32, or 64-bit. So for y'all who still have 32 bits for your computer, you're still safe. Okay, but I still recommend you to upgrade to 64-bit. Okay, 3GB RAM of minimum, 8GB RAM recommended. I need to say that if you want to do this without any problems and have it working smoothly, I recommend you to have the recommended one. But if you have the minimum specification, well, it's okay, you can still run it. Okay, so don't worry if you only have 3GB, it will run. Plus 1GB for the Android emulator, so that means 4GB RAM minimum for the Windows. And then 2GB of available disks minimum, 4GB recommended, for 500 megabytes for IDE plus 1.5GB, 1 to 80 times 800 minimum screen resolutions. And for Mac, you can read it in the website. In the Linux also, you can read it on this website here, on the official website. So if you want to download this Android Studio, you just need to click this in the main page. You click download Android Studio and click agree, and then download the Android Studio for Windows, of course. But if you're not going to download the 64-bit for Windows Android Studio, you need to go to the download option, which is down below here, and there are the Windows 64-bit version, which comes with an installer, the exe, and a zip file. But unfortunately for the 32-bit version, you don't have an installer or an exe. It just comes with a zip file in it, so you need to extract it. But it's just the same with the installer version. You just need to extract the file, and then you can run the Android Studio. It's just the same, and it is for Mac and Linux also. You can download it here, and you can see the Android Studio release notes in this page. There we go, 33 January 2019. So it's constantly being updated, and don't worry if you think that this is going to be unstable, because they constantly update the Android Studio. Okay, so now we're going to download the Android Studio. So because my computer is 32-bit, then we're going to download the 32-bit version of the Android Studio, and that means it's going to be zip. Okay, so we're going to extract it later. You click on this and then click agree, and then download Studio into your destination folder. Okay, so once you've downloaded the Android Studio here, then you need to extract it in order to get the Android Studio file, and you can run it from there. So you don't have to do the installer or something like that. You just need to extract this and then that's it. You can run Android Studio. You're going to click extract. Okay, now so once you have extracted the Android Studio zip file, you can go to this folder and tada, it's everything. It's the Android Studio is here. You know, it's just like as in installer in the 64 bits. Everything is here in the bin, and now we can just run the Android Studio. I reckon it's from this. Okay, let's see. Click run, and then we'll wait. Here we go. Is going to load first, so it's another waiting. As you can see, once the loading screen is done, we're automatically getting this window right here, which is the Android Studio, and then we're just going to wait for another loading and then see what Android Studio really looks like. Well, this is the Android Studio. We've installed it, and it's ready to update, and pretty much now we can do Android coding stuff in here. Okay, so I guess so that's it for today's video. It is a really an easy tutorial, so you guys can follow along through steps by steps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Crafty96 coding. And until then, happy Android coding.